family tree. There is grandma and grandpa. Then there were mother and father. And after they married, they had 3 children. The first child is a girl, the second child is a boy, and the last child is a girl. And I am the youngest or last child. My 2 older are all married and each have children, and I have 2 nephews and one coming soon. Thank you very much.